In this video, I will show you how to install Exalate on your GitHub instance. On the left side of the screen, you can see the Exalate documentation. I'll use it as my primary reference. On the right, I have my GitHub instance and I will walk you through the installation step by step. Alright, let's get started. There are two ways you can install Exalate on GitHub, either from the marketplace or through Docker. To install Exalate from the marketplace, click on this link on the documentation page. It will take you to the Exalate app on the marketplace. Here, click on the Set up a plan button. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Install it for free. Fill in the mandatory fields in the form and click Save. Alright, now click Complete Order and begin installation. You'll be redirected to your GitHub instance where you can choose to install Exalate either for all repositories or only for selected repositories. Confirm what level of permissions you'll have based on your selection, and then click Install. Next, authorize access to Exalate by clicking the Authorize Exalate Issue Sync button. You'll be redirected to the Exalate admin console. The Exalate node sits on top of your GitHub instance, allowing communication between them to send and receive data. We recommend saving your Exalate app link to easily access it in the future. However, you can always recover it later, as shown here in our documentation. Okay, now for the registration part. Fill out all the required fields and click Agree and Submit. A confirmation is sent to the email you just specified. Open your email and click on the Verify Exalate Instance button, and you'll be redirected to the Exalate console. Click Continue there. You need a personal access token to log in to the console. To generate that, go to your GitHub instance and click on Settings. Then click Developer Settings from the left-hand menu. In the left menu panel, click Personal Access Tokens and select Tokens Classic. Now, click Generate New Token. It's good to write a note for the token to help you understand what it's used for. Select the expiration period. Select the scopes or permissions you'd like to grant to this token. Once you do that, click the Generate Token button and copy it. Now, go back to your Exalate console and paste the token you just copied and click Login. And that's it, you are good to go. You've successfully installed Exalate on your GitHub instance and are ready to sync your first issue.